Today is so windy and so cold. The best thing to do is to just sit inside and watch PC or play something or talk with your family or make a play night, like play social games like chess or Go or anything else with other people, or just read a book or just sleep. Yeah, so this is what I'm probably doing right now, or I will do this day. And so see you tomorrow, and have a great time, have a great day, week, month, year, or if you will never ever see me again, a great life. So bye and have a great time.